You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more names from literature, American, British, English literature, stay tuned. There are more videos. American poet and author Sylvia Plath, not Plath, not Plath. How to pronounce American English pronunciation, Sylvia Plath. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.